Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to attend online classes. So the government gave a green signal about it. So are you scratching your head at home wondering about how to do it? Watch this video and you'll get to know. So let me teach you how to do the basics. So first thing, you have to download the app or software instructed by the school in Safari or Google Chrome in the laptop and in Play Store in the phone. Create your account by using the username and password given by the school in the email that they'll send you, and then you can sign in free. The school IT department will enable the option sign in free. Do not sign in paid because that will create a lot of obstacles for you. After setting up the software or app in your laptop or whichever device you like, you're good to go. These are very simple steps. Kids and parents, don't worry about it, but just make sure you have a strong network and Wi-Fi connection and you have good power backup. So now you're cooked up, guys. So let me show you how to do it in your software or app. In my case, Microsoft Teams. I'm using an Apple Mac, but you can use your own laptop, HP, Sony, or anything like that. So in Mac, you can go to the rocket icon, Launchpad, click on it, and then go to Microsoft Teams. So now you can, I think the most important thing is for you to know how Microsoft Team looks. So first on the left hand side, there are lots of options. There's activity, teams, calendar, assignments, and files. I'll teach you about these later on, but now I'll be teaching you about calendar. So for calendar, you can click on this calendar looking thing. Click it, and then you can go. This is the timetable set up by my school. So you can go to your period, and then there'll be lots of options. This is the detail of the meeting, like when it is, which subject it is for, and then there's the chat. If the meeting is going on or is already done, then you'll see the chat, but now here the meeting hasn't happened yet, so there's no chat as of now. Okay. Over here on the right hand side, there'll be an option join the meeting. Over here you can join the meeting and then it's all yours. So that's it for calendar. Now let's move on to files. Files is here like a page, and click on it, and you should know that files is only restricted for teachers. You can just view whatever they have posted. Then you can go to Teams. In Teams, you'll go to your own subject, and then there'll be a bunch of options like posts, files, class notebook, assignments, and grades. So in posts, you can see the chat of the meeting, and in files is directly linked to the whole subject. And in class notebook, the in class notebook you can upload your notes in the form of an image. Over here in the greater than sign, which is your navigation panel, you can click on it and go to your name, and under your name there'll be some tabs like class notes, handouts, homework, and quizzes. In class notes, you can post your notes wherever you like. And activity is what all has been done throughout the day. And in assignments, you can go to your respective class which or subject you like, and then in that subject there'll be an assignment set by the teacher. You can click on that assignment, view it, and upload your notes as in class notebook. Now there are these three dots here. This is known as more. In this you will get lots of other apps permitted by Microsoft Teams. You can go to OneNote, Planner, Shift Streams, or whichever you like. And I think that is all that you need to know about Microsoft Teams. You will get proficient after a while of using it. And besides, the school will send you an email about how to go about it. But if they don't, you can always watch this video. So that's all for today, guys. So please hit the like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until then, bye.